Oh shit. Here we are on a rainy day with the Grom. And there it is. It used to be a 50cc engine, now he upgraded it to a 100cc.
Where you guys want to go?
I don't know.
Left?
That thing's hilarious. That thing's hilarious, bro. I know, you should get one again. Dude, I was just saying, this bike is probably the only bike that the Grom can beat.
Oh yeah, probably. Once I get the motor, I want to race a Grom and see how much different it is.
Yeah.
I feel like it'd probably be like about the same.
I would think so.
Yeah, because it'll be like 181, but it's only got one gear versus you have gears. And you can take off quicker. But
yeah.
Top end, it'll probably be like the same top speed.
I would think so. Yours is probably slower because of that big ass gas tank.
Yeah, you know, it only holds 1 gallon.
Oh, same as this.
Yeah, it's the same.
Yeah.
I haven't got too far, so once we get up, we'll probably stop at a gas station or something.
Alright. Yeah, I only have 2 lines too.
Yeah.
Alright. Waiting for his friends. Where's your friends?
Oh no, I know the one dude rides slow. He just starts.
The one with the cruiser?
Yeah, that's his first bike. He bought it for like.
What is that?
A Honda Shadow.
Like 750 or what is that?
I don't know.
It looks like a big engine bike.
Yeah, he just started riding. That's his first bike.
I see. All right, you go. Oh shit. I got that on video, so that's gonna be the thumbnail.
Oh, I can't wait to see it. You better send it to me.
That's why I let you go first.
Yeah, send me the link.
I will.
That's hilarious. I wish I would have dropped it, because I never dropped it. I've never once dropped a bike before.
Same. Knock on wood, it's not gonna happen. Yeah. Dude, I was like, there's no way he's gonna make it up that wet grass, especially at an angle like you went.
Yeah.
If you go flat on, you might, you know?
I was like, it's so low, I didn't want it to bottom.
Yeah, yeah.
Get stuck, so I was like, I'm just gonna give it what it's got.
But when it slid, it almost bottomed out, I think.
That's why I stood up. It's small, you can just do whatever you want with it.
It would probably just bounce off if you're not standing on it. Yeah.
I bought it for $700 bucks. I don't really care, you know. I just wanted something to cruise around town with.
Wait, say again what this bike is.
An Ice Bear Mad Dog. It's a Chinese Ruckus.
All right.
That's a little logo for it.
Okay. Ice Bear Mad Dog.
Yeah.
Okay.
I call it a Chuckus.
Chuckus? A Chinese Ruckus. Alright, so that is an Ice Bear Mad Dog. He calls it a Chuckus from Chineese Ruckus. But it's not the 50cc in it anymore. It's 100cc now, so. Only thing is, it, like he said, it only has 1 gear, so it's not gonna be as fast off the line, and then it's also not gonna have the top end power. Not top end power, but like top end speed. And I was laughing at the mud on his back. I took it off. I took it easy off that hill, so I don't get muddy as well. But I don't think I spun much with these tires. Let me show you what tires I have. Some off-road, on-road type of tires. This scooter is more bouncy than this bike anyway. There's a goose up there. Let's keep it in second gear. Might be a little too high for this, but hopefully we don't get a ticket or something. Oh shit. I don't even know where this is. Oh boy. I can't believe his long scooter fits through here and could make all the turns. Do you want to switch?
What? Hell yeah!
Holy shit! Oh my god, this is so weird. So different too. Oh my god, bro. Dude. I feel like my arms are stretched out of my body, but I guess I could scoot up a little bit. And his throttle is sticky. Like, you roll on and watch. I let go and it's still at the same position. It has cruise control. Like when you brake, you have to like let go of the throttle. I don't know what this cable is for, since it's automatic. I don't know why it might be the rear brake, since there's no foot brake for the, I don't know, it doesn't do shit when you press it. But look at this, gave it gas, took my hand off and it's still accelerating. Not gonna lie, this is so interesting. So interesting, but yet fun. It's hard to like explain. It feels like I'm sitting on the ground, like so low that I could like literally put my hand almost down. And when you lean it, you could tell it's long because it feels like it's turning like a snake. I don't know if that makes sense, but it feels like it's like bending. It doesn't feel like it's leaning all uniformly. It feels like it's like the front, then the back, then the front, then the back. 40 miles an hour, 42 miles an hour, 43, 44. Not sure if his throttle is supposed to be sticky, but it is. But it stays full throttle, like it's like cruise control. And since this thing won't do more than like 45 miles an hour maybe, something around that. Like look, cruise control, full speed, don't have to worry about really getting a ticket because it's not that fast to get a ticket. It doesn't lean as easily as the Grom since it's obviously a longer wheelbase, but it also doesn't feel as, I don't know, it feels like you can't lean it as much because you're like, you can't grab it with your knee and like tuck it over. It's like you're one with the bike. I don't know, it just feels weird when you try to lean it. It does lean and you can turn. I think 44 is the top speed, unless I like the top down. I haven't seen it yet. Yeah, there we go, 45. 45 miles an hour. Huh? No! I like this. I like this. What is this?
It's a rear brake, but I need to adjust it better.
Okay, I was gonna say it doesn't do anything.
It's when I took the engine out, I never got to adjust it.
Okay.
And I just went riding to test it out and just This is so fun.
Isn't that so much more powerful than this though?
Yeah.
Like, I gave a guess and I was like, wait, am I supposed to pop a gear or something?
No, you just go. It's nice, dude. You don't have to do anything.
Yeah. I like the cruise control.
Yeah. I literally left it because of that.
Yeah. I always have to look where my feet go. If you live in a city where everything's closed and your job is closed or whatever, and you don't have to take the highway, you really don't need anything more than this. And the good thing is if you buy a Ruckus, a 50cc one, you don't even need a driver's license to drive it. You just get on, twist the throttle and go. No gears to shift. Don't need to learn how to ride a motorcycle, how to lean really, because at this speed, anyone can turn it. It's like riding a bicycle basically. If you were to commute somewhere where you need to hop on the highway, this is not it. Even the Grom can do 65 miles an hour. That Grom that I have, according to the GPS, and at 65 miles an hour, you're like redlining it in 4th gear. Just full balls to the wall on it. Unless you go like 60, then you don't have to worry about redlining it, but I mean, I guess you could. The minimum speed limit on the highway is 40 or 45 or something like that. So technically you're legally allowed to even drive this at full speed. But I don't know how you would feel when a bunch of cars just pass you. With the Grom, if you go in the slow lane, you would just go with the traffic.